Fletcher, walk to Mommy. Come on. Walk to Mommy. Come on. Yay! Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Maggie Lulu. They're so proud of themselves because they're up on the bed and down on the bed. Oh. Maggie's going to take everything off the window ledge. Oh, yeah, Maggie. Fletcher, you going to walk over to Mommy again? Going to walk over to Mommy again? Or are you just discovering the window ledge? Yay! And down you come. Two little monkeys. Soon time for bed. Soon time for bed. Say night-night. Night-night. Maggie Lulu. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.